Hey friends, if you encounter this issue of cursor freezing, lagging, etc., then please watch this video. Now, I have personally experienced this, so I know that the main cause is when you are using a wireless mouse, the battery may not be full. So please charge your mouse if it is a chargeable mouse, or if it is a battery operated mouse, then please try changing the battery. In 60 to 70% cases, that will be helpful. If not, then the next solution will be to update the mouse drivers. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update each driver individually. And obviously the last solution after this will be a little different. I'll tell you what the last solution will be. The last solution will be to change a few mouse settings. So search for mouse in the Windows search bar and open mouse and make sure that it is at the highest level. Also turn this switch on. This should be on. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.